He got paid on Friday, the kind of Friday that feels like relief. Like finally, you can breathe again. He checked his bank account and smiled a little. Not because it was a lot, but because it was something. By Saturday, he treated himself just a little. Groceries, a small meal, a ride home instead of the bus. By Sunday, a bill came in. By Monday, his account was almost empty. And he just sat there, staring at his phone, asking himself one question. How is this even possible? If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. There are millions of people in the US living this exact same story. Hard workers, full-time jobs, busy schedules, and yet somehow money is never enough. You tell yourself, maybe I just need to manage it better. Or maybe next month will be different. Short pause, but next month comes, and it feels exactly the same. And deep down, you start thinking something is wrong with you. But listen carefully. It's not just you. Why money disappears so fast? Let's be honest about something. Living in the US is expensive. Pause, rent alone can take a huge chunk of your income. Not small, a huge chunk. Then there's food. And not just food, but rising grocery prices that keep changing every month. Transportation, gas, insurance, phone bills, internet you forgot you even had. And before you even start living, your money is already assigned. That's the reality most people don't talk about. You're not bad with money. You're not irresponsible. You're just living in a system where your income gets divided before you even touch it. And that's why payday feels good, but temporary. Because the moment money enters your account, it already has destinations waiting for it. Emotional build, the stress. And this is where it becomes emotional. Because it's not just about money. It's about pressure. It's about checking your account before buying something simple. And calculating in your head if you can afford it. It's about avoiding plans with friends. Because you don't want to say, I can't afford it again. It's about pretending you're fine, when inside you're constantly stressed. And slowly, you start living in survival mode. Not growth, not peace, just survival. Solution, simple budget system. But here's where things start to change. Because fixing your money doesn't always start with earning more. It starts with controlling what you already have. Let's make it simple. There's a method called the 50-30-20 rule. But I want to simplify it even more for you. Think of your money in three parts: needs, wants, savings. Let's break it down. 1. Needs. This is survival. Rent, food, transport. Bills you must pay to live. No luxury, no extras, just life. 2. Wants. This is where most people lose control. Eating out, shopping, impulse spending when you're tired or stressed. Not bad things, but dangerous when uncontrolled. 3. Savings, even if it's small, even if it's just $5, $10. This is your future self. And listen, you're not bad with money. You just were never shown how to control it. No one sat you down and explained how money actually works in real life. So you learned by surviving. But survival is not the final stage. Realistic money fix strategy. Now let's make this practical. Because advice is useless without action. Here are simple steps you can start this week. Step 1. Track everything for just 7 days. Write down everything you spend money on. Every coffee, every ride, every snack. You'll be surprised. Not shocked, surprised. Because awareness changes everything. Step 2. Cut just 1 or 2 expenses, not everything. Just 1 or 2 things that don't really matter. Maybe it's daily takeout. Maybe it's unnecessary rides. Small cuts, create breathing space. Step 3. Automate savings even if it's small. 5. $20. Don't wait to have enough. Because the truth is, most people never feel like they have enough. So you build the habit first. Step 4. To start thinking about extra income, not pressure. Don't panic, just awareness. Because sometimes, budgeting is not the full solution. Sometimes, you need more streams of income. We'll talk about that in a moment. Emotional shift, breakthrough moment now. Listen to this very carefully. It's not about how much you earn. It's about what you do with what you already have. Let that sink in. Because 2 people can earn the same salary, and one is stressed every month, while the other is slowly building stability. The difference is not luck, it's structure, it's awareness, it's control. And the moment you start seeing money this way, something changes inside you. You stop feeling powerless. You start feeling in control again. But I need to be honest with you. Budgeting your money is important, but it only solves half of the problem. Because what if your salary is already too small? What if no matter how carefully you budget, it still isn't enough? That's the reality for a lot of people right now. And that's why in my next video, I'm going to show you real ways people in the US are making extra money every week, even with zero experience, even starting from nothing. No fake promises, no get-rich-quick talk. Just real methods people are using right now to survive and slowly build income. So if you're serious about changing your financial life, don't miss it. Click on the next video right now, because staying in the same cycle is not your only option anymore. You just haven't seen the other path yet.